I'm here today to figure out what is a jieandوئی and make the best jieandوئی ever. So follow me to check it out. Whoa.
搞到佢滾嗰陣就一陣間就落粉啊！
Can I
嗱，俾
try?
你揸住呢度，你揸住呢度嗱，搞啊啲糖咧。大佬啲嘢真係，你睇得幾好你下哦！你好添呢啲粉就疏圓球粉。
I make a ball like this.
煎埋佢，準備落油鑊啦。
Wow, so big. A little bit afraid of the oil though. It's not a problem. It's funny because in Chinese culture, the ball is actually a symbol of reunion. So the bigger the ball, the happier we're supposed to be, or the better the moment we're gonna get. Wow! Wow!
可以食得啦，個個食噶啦。
Oh, let me try.
哇，好唔好食㗎？
But it's so good. Oh my god, it's so good. It's crispy on the outside and a little bit chewy on the inside, and it's sweet. I cannot stop. 小朋友 I am the master now. So, 我教你们好不好？ so let's go. Thought I was a master, but apparently the kids are better than me at this. Yeah. Spring Festival is all about bringing the people you love together. So that's what I learned from this experience.